What's up guys, Frank here. We're going to do an unboxing for the Volant cold air intake model 15453D. It covers Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Cadillac Escalade, and Yukons with engines ranging from 4.8 to 6.2 liters. This features a Pro 5 media intake air filter, which filters out a lot of stuff. It's a lot better than the K&N in my opinion. It doesn't have any oil or anything. Without intake plenum, which produces more horsepower and torque, and enhances engine sound. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up, see what we got. So I've had these things for years and they're actually really good. This one's for my 2012 Chevy Suburban 2500. It's got 6.0 liter Vortec V8. Alright. So of course we got your sheet right here. It's going to give you all the information you need for registration and all that stuff. Let's go ahead and get her opened up. Alright. One of the benefits of these things is they're made in the USA for the most part, and they're exceptionally well made. Alright, so we have, this is the throttle body part of it. It goes from the intake tube to the throttle body, looks like. That's from the air filter to the intake tube. This is the piece that goes on the throttle body right there. Got some hardware, your carb exemption sticker, which is really important if you live in California. This right here is for your PCV, for your engine, your positive crankcase ventilation. This is your intake plenum. Keep in mind, if you have, this is for a Tahoe or Suburban, but if you have a 2500 gas model, you'll have a sensor here, and this is the air intake, the temperature sensor for the air that's coming in. If you do have that, make sure you have the one with the hole in it. So that's something to keep in mind. These are all roto molded, so there is going to be a little bit of flashing left over. I took my other one, I took a die grinder to it, kind of smoothed it out. It works pretty well. Here you have your synthetic media, your dry filter. This is an excellent filter, and it greatly improves flow over stock. Let's see what else we got. All right. And of course, you have your instructions right here. As well as some vinyl, which is gonna be covered in the instructions, which are right there. One of the really cool features of this air intake is you have a Lexan cover over it. I don't want to take it off, but you know what? Let's go ahead and take that off. It's gonna fight me a little bit. Just so you can see it. It's actually pretty cool. You can see right through where the air filter will be, which is right here. And this protects it when you install it. I highly encourage you to leave this intact, so that way when you install it, you don't risk scratching it. It's kind of, Lexan is really easy to scratch. It's plastic, polycarbonate, and you don't want to scratch that. But it makes a visual inspection of the air filter really easy, because you can just take a look at it right through this here window, and you can inspect to see if you need to change your filter or not. I change mine once a year. Works for me. I drive about 30,000 miles a year, so it works. This hole right here, that's where you're going to put your mass airflow sensor, and it's going to come with the hardware to do all that. So the way this is basically going to go together is something along these lines. So it's going to go like that. right there. Filter is going to go in here, and then your hose is going to go in your PCV from here into your engine. That's it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and please like and subscribe. We're going to get this channel going. So, till next time.